Assalamu alaikum. I would like to show you a sentence and then you need to tell me the mistake in this sentence. It goes like this. My dream is to find a respectful job. What's wrong with the sentence? Can you take some time to think? Okay, I'll tell you now. The problem is with the word respectful. It should not be like that. It should be respectable. Why? I'll tell you why. Because actually there's a difference between respectful and respectable. If you don't know this difference, then you should continue watching this video to find out what it is. Okay, respectable means worthy of respect. To be respected by the other members of the society. You're getting respect from the others. So you're not showing respect, but you're getting respect. I'm gonna show you some examples. I say, for example, she's a respectable young woman who comes from a good family. So she gets respect from the other members of the society, maybe because she comes from a good family. So she's not showing respect, but she's getting respect. Here's another example. This part of the city is quite respectable. So this part of the city, this neighborhood is respected by the members of the society. Here is one more example. She earns a respectable salary. She earns a decent amount of money. When you know this amount of money, you feel like, oh, I respect that. I respect that you're getting this salary. So that's a respectable salary, not a respectful salary. How about the word respectful? Okay, respectful means showing respect. So you're not getting respect, but you are showing respect to someone else. Here's an example. He spoke to me in a very respectful tone. So the way he spoke to me was very respectful. He was showing me respect. Here's one more example. He taught his children to be respectful to the other cultures. So the children respect the other cultures. They are not being respected by the other cultures, but they are showing respect to the other cultures. Want to practice a little bit? Okay, here are some sentences. All you have to do is to choose whether we're going to use the word respectable or respectful. The first one. The results of my students in the exam were very respectable or respectful. What do you think? Of course, it should be respectable, not respectful, because the results are worthy of respect. When you know the results, you feel like, wow, these are good numbers. Number two, in order not to argue a lot, we need to maintain a respectable or a respectful distance between us. So, are we respecting the distance, or the distance aims at showing respect to each other? So in this situation, like, what's the focus here? Are we trying to respect the distance itself, or we put the distance in order to show respect to each other? It's the second one and the first one. So that's why we call it a respectful distance, not a respectable distance. Number three, there are many respectable or respectful careers that you can find with your current degree. Is it respectable or respectful? Of course, it should be respectable, not respectful, because the careers that you can find, they will get you respect. They are worthy of respect. They are not showing respect. The career itself doesn't show respect, but it is to be respected by the members of the society. Number four, you need to be respectable or respectful to the elderly. So you're expecting that the elderly are going to give you respect, or you're expecting that you are going to show respect to the elderly? It's the second one. That's why we say you need to be respectful to the elderly. Okay, I hope today's lesson was useful. Thank you so much for your time. Assalamu alaikum.